Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about 11 lesser-known investments that wealthy individuals make. These are strategies that may be unfamiliar to the average person, but they can offer the potential for significant returns over time. 1. Whiskey and wine. Whiskey and wine are two popular investments for wealthy individuals. Aging whiskey and wine can generate significant returns over time, as the value of the product increases. For example, a bottle of Pappy Van Winkle's Family Reserve 23-year-old bourbon that sold for $130 in 2010 is now worth over $5,000. 2. Collectibles. Rare books, comic books, toys, stamps, coins, and more are valuable collectibles for wealthy investors. These items can appreciate in value over time, and they can also be sold for a profit if the market is right. For example, a copy of Action Comics Nr. 1, the first appearance of Superman, sold for $3.2 million in 2014. 3. Luxury watches and purses. Rich people often focus on high-demand luxury products with limited supply, like Rolex watches and Hermes Birkin bags. These items are seen as status symbols, and they can hold their value or even appreciate over time. For example, a Rolex Daytona watch that sold for $2,400 in 2005 is now worth over $100,000. 4. Private banking. Private banks offer significantly higher interest rates and exclusive perks to high-net-worth clients. This can make them a good option for wealthy individuals looking to park their cash or earn a higher return on their investments. 5. Art. Fine art is a secretive yet lucrative investment, with the global art market expected to grow by $1 trillion in the next decade. Wealthy individuals often invest in art because it can appreciate in value over time, and it can also be used to diversify their portfolios. For example, a painting by Pablo Picasso that sold for $38 million in 1989 is now worth over $100 million. 6. Hotel rooms. Investors can buy and own hotel rooms, earning profits when the hotel rents them out. This can be a good way to generate passive income and benefit from the growing tourism industry. For example, a hotel room in a popular tourist destination like Orlando, Florida can rent for over $100 per night. 7. Rooftop rights. Rooftops are being monetized with solar panels and potential drone landing spaces. This can be a good way to generate income from a valuable asset that is often overlooked. For example, a company called Skyports is developing drone landing pads on rooftops in cities around the world. 8. Mineral and water rights. Purchasing rights to valuable natural resources like spring water can be a profitable venture. These resources are becoming increasingly scarce, and their value is expected to rise over time. For example, a company called Nestlé paid $1.2 billion for the rights to bottle spring water in Maine in 2016. 9. Buying debt. Buying and collecting unpaid debt can yield returns, with debt trading on a secondary market. This can be a risky investment, but it can also be very profitable. For example, a company called Cavalry Portfolio Services bought over $1 billion in unpaid debt for $134 million in 2019. 10. Coaching and counsel. Wealthy individuals often leverage mentors and coaches to accelerate their success. These experts can provide guidance and support on a variety of topics, from business strategy to personal finance. For example, a business coach can help an entrepreneur launch a new company or grow an existing one. 11. Private equity and startups. You can invest in private equity and early-stage startups to profit without starting a business. Private equity firms invest in established companies that are not publicly traded, while startups are young companies that are just getting started. Both types of investments can be risky, but they can also offer the potential for high returns. These are just a few of the lesser-known investments that wealthy individuals make. If you're looking for ways to diversify your portfolio and generate potential returns, it's worth considering some of these strategies. However, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions. What are some of your favorite lesser-known investments? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice.